Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the coolant reservoir overflow bottle on a Volkswagen Jetta or Golf 4th generation. This should cover years from 99 all the way until 2005. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Alright guys, first you need to drain the coolant, so stay with us to see how to do that. So what you need to do, guys, first you need to go on the passenger side. You need to jack up the right side all the way in the air. You need to put it on jack stand, never rely on the jack itself. And you need to go after that to the driver's side. By jacking up the left side, the passenger side of the vehicle, we're going to make it tilted that way, so all the coolant will come right here, and that's where the valve is. So all we have to do is just turn it by hand, open it, okay, and they tend to get stuck a little bit, but you open it and then you pull it out. Okay, and what you need to do next, you need to go and remove the cap on the coolant reservoir right here, because right now there is a lot of vacuum in the system and it's not going to come out. And once you do that, you see how fast the coolant will come out and it will flush the system. Okay. Alright guys, so it's going to take you probably about 2-3 minutes to empty the whole system, and after that what you need to do, you need to go ahead, push on the valve and turn it clockwise now to the right and get it tight, make sure it's not leaking. And now that's how you drain the coolant. Alright guys, after you drain the coolant, now you need to remove the sensor for the level. You need to push down and then push right here to release the clip, and all you need to do is just pull up. And on the back side there is one more, so it's two of them. You need to press on both, okay, just like that, and you can remove the sensor. Now with the pliers you need to remove that clamp right here. It's been already removed, I don't know why, they forgot to install it last time. And now you need to push that hose out of the way, that's the overflow hose. Okay, it's not very important, but it's good to install the clamp on it. And next, there is two screws, one right here in the back with a Phillips screwdriver, okay, and one next to it, but it's on the right side. So together two screws now. And after that you can go ahead and pull it up a little bit, and then we have one more hose on the bottom that we will need to remove. That's the main hose there. Okay, so you need to remove that clamp, get it out of the way. Those are pretty tight. Okay, just like that, it's going to pop up. Okay, right there, and just you need to jump it over the lip there, and it's pretty tight, almost there. That will give you a hard time. It's easier with bigger pliers. And now we need to remove that hose as well. You can grab it and turn it, and it's going to come loose. Okay, just go left, right until it comes out of there, like that. And that's how you guys remove and replace the coolant reservoir on a Volkswagen Jetta Golf MK4. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.